Hi, welcome to EMDESK Tutorials. Today, I'll be showing you how to set up your own project and get started with EMDESK. Let's get started. If you want to manage and start your own project, or if you have been invited to take part in a project that already exists, then you will first need to create a user account with EMDESK. Before you begin, you will need a valid email address that you can access, and a secure password ready to enter. If you have been invited to join a project, then you must select the link in your project invitation email. If you are a new user, you will have to click the Sign Up button under the Login box. Once you have selected the invite link or click the Sign Up button, the Create a New Account box will appear. Here is where you'll be able to enter your email address and password for your login. Tick the first checkbox to agree to the terms of service, and if you want to receive news from EMDESK, then click the second checkbox. Once you have clicked the Sign Up button, the Email Validation Pending box will appear. Now you will have to check your email inbox for an email from EMDESK with a 6-digit code. The email should arrive within a minute or so. Also, be sure to check your spam folder of your inbox. In this case, you should unmark the email as spam and add it to your address book to receive emails from EMDESK in the future. Once you have applied this code, you can select Activate, and the Welcome to EMDESK box appears. Here, you must input information for your profile and select a profile image for yourself. Then click Continue. If you registered with an invite link, you will now go directly to the project. Otherwise, we will ask you to create your first project.
EMDESK. Focus on research, drive innovation.